Hi everybody, welcome to Sandra's Sensations. I'm going a little off the rails tonight. I'm going to be doing a Traxxas 1/10 scale truck body. My son, who's 37 years old, wants me to do a paint pour for his truck body, for his RC vehicle. So I said, I'll give it a whirl, let's see what happens. So I'm going to be using the Arteza Premium Acrylics. I'm just going to put this box aside, get it out of my way because I've already got the paints pulled. I'm going to be doing Mars Black, Prussian Blue, which actually is this one, sorry, this one, Prussian Blue it's called. Prussian Blue. This one is the Blue Sapphire Pearl. So I've got a bit of metallic in it. I've got the silver, which is also a little bit metallic. And then the titanium white. All of it is the Arteza's premium tubes. I've used all these tubes. Each tube is in one of these cups with a glue and water mixture. I put half glue, half water, mix this up, then put a full tube of this in one of these cups and put glue and water mixture in to get it to the consistency that I want. So that's how I got my paints ready to go. And if this works, which I'm sure it will, Arteza paints are awesome. I get these on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below if you want to get yourself a box of these paints. They're amazing. They come in iridescence as well as the premium acrylics, and they're just awesome. Almost 90% of the stuff that I get is from Amazon. Okay, now I got off track of what I was going to say. So we got the silver, the Persian, I can't say it, Russian, that's it, Russian, that's how you remember. The Prussian blue, there's always a blooper on my video, you guys, I can't help it. The sapphire blue, Mars black, and the titanium white. Okay, there's all the colors. I'm not going to do a base. Usually I have a canvas in front of me with a base of white ready to go. I don't want to do a base on this. This truck's got a really foggy protector over top, so I'm not sure how good it's going to look once the pour is done until I take that protector off, but I won't be doing that until it dries. So I'm going to let this dry and then do another quick 30-second video before I even upload this so you can see it dry. And because this has the glue and water mixture in it, I'm hoping it's going to give enough movement so that it's not going to crack, because these trucks take a beating. Okay, let's flip this over. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It's very much appreciated. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. And trust me, I haven't lost my marbles. I'm just doing this as a favor for my son to try and get a really cool truck body done for him for his Traxxas RC vehicle 1/10 scale. Now hopefully I even described that right. I think I did. Okay, I'm going to get my cup here. I'm just going to move the body for a second while I layer some paint. So I'm going to first start with the Prussian blue. Then I'm going to do a little bit of white, just a touch. Whoop. Then we're going to do the sapphire blue, a little bit of silver, then we want to do the black. Now let's go back to some white. And the next color I want to have is the Prussian blue. Said it twice correctly. High five, Sandy, you did it. Okay, a little bit of white. I'm going to do black again. I'm hoping this is going to make a really cool design for him. Brandon, if you're watching, this is for your truck. I think we're going to do white. This one. Silver again. Boy, there's going to be a lot of paint in this cup, but that's okay. My son is worth it. Okay, what color do I want to do next? This one. Sapphire blue. Do some more white. We've almost got all these colors done. Let's do some black. I'm going to go with a little bit more silver. Just trying to think of what color do I want to end with. Probably the darkest blue. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of white because that's all we got left anyways. And then the Prussian blue. Okay, that's all the colors in there. Let me just put this aside so I can reuse those. There we go. Now to bring the truck in. Look at those amazing colors in there. I don't know if you can see or not, but they're layered really nice. Looks gorgeous. Okay, let's bring this truck in. Let me wipe up my mess. Not that I'm not going to make a big mess. I'm going to, but let's start off clean. What the heck? Okay. Which way do I want to start? I think I'm going to put it right into the middle. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do a dirty pour right into the middle. Sit that upside down there for a second. Get all that paint out. Okay. So now to pour it all over this truck. I don't want to do this for too long because I don't want it to muddy up too much. But I got to get the sides. Whoop. Pour too much paint out of there. It's okay. Still got lots of paint in here. And if I have to scoop it up, I will. And the body does have the plastic coating protecting it right now, so that's awesome. Well, that looks pretty cool. Okay, I think I'm going to need to steal a little bit of paint from my table. Just to finish this off on the sides. And then I'm going to get some more on the front here. Sorry if you're not getting a good view of it, but I'm just trying to get all the spots of this body filled without wearing too much of the paint myself. Wow, that looks really cool. I sure hope you guys can see what I'm seeing, because it's awesome. When this dries, I think it's going to be a wow moment. Okay, Brannon, I hope you're happy with that. I'm just going to let this dry. Once it's dry, I'll do a quick 30-second video to talk about it, and then I'll upload this in a day or two. You guys will be seeing this. And right now, I am super happy with what I see. I think it turned out amazing. Hi everyone, I'm back, and this truck is dry. This paint pour turned out awesome in my opinion. For a Traxxas 110 scale truck, this paint pour is gorgeous. I know you're going to have some light glaring on it, but that's because it's so bright and beautiful. It turned out awesome. Brannon, if you're watching, I hope you're excited to get this. This is a beautiful truck body for your RC Traxxas 110 scale trucks. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Thanks again.